Thinking about tackling a legal matter, but the thought of exorbitant attorney fees makes your wallet shrivel? Have you ever wondered if platforms like Rocket Lawyer are actually legitimate, or just another online gimmick promising legal solutions that fall flat? Let's face it, the legal world can be intimidating. Complex jargon, seemingly endless paperwork, and the undeniable cost often push people away from seeking the legal help they truly need. This is where online legal service providers have stepped in, aiming to demystify the law and make it more accessible. Among them, Rocket Lawyer stands out as one of the most prominent names. But with so many options popping up online, a crucial question emerges. How legit is Rocket Lawyer? Really? Today, we're diving deep into Rocket Lawyer. We'll explore what it offers, how it works, what users are saying, and ultimately, help you decide if it's the right solution for your legal needs. We're going to pull back the curtain on its services, its pricing, and its reputation to give you a clear, unbiased picture. Rocket Lawyer has been around since 2008, and in that time, they've served over 30 million customers. That's a staggering number, making them a significant player in the online legal services industry. Their mission, as stated by their founder and CEO, Charlie Moore, is to make legal services affordable and simple for everyone. They aim to reduce the complexity and high hourly rates traditionally associated with legal help by combining free legal information, readily available documents, and a network of licensed attorneys, all accessible through a subscription model. So what exactly does Rocket Lawyer offer? At its core, Rocket Lawyer is designed to be a one-stop shop for various legal needs, both personal and business-related. Their services largely revolve around a few key areas. First, and perhaps most widely known, are their legal document services. Need a last will and testament? A lease agreement? An LLC operating agreement? Rocket Lawyer has a vast library of customizable legal documents and forms. You simply answer a series of questions, and the platform generates a document tailored to your specific situation. This feature is incredibly convenient, allowing you to create professional, legally sound documents in minutes, often without the need for a lawyer. They even offer RocketSign, a tool for secure electronic signatures, ensuring your documents are legally binding under the Assign Act. Beyond documents, Rocket Lawyer provides access to legal advice. This is a crucial differentiator from simply downloading templates. With a membership, you can ask a lawyer questions online and receive expert responses. For more complex matters, you can schedule 30-minute consultations with attorneys in their network. This means if you're unsure about a clause in a contract or need guidance on a particular legal issue, you can get direct input from a practicing attorney without the typical hourly fees. Members often receive discounts on legal representation if they decide to hire an attorney for ongoing help, which can be a substantial saving compared to traditional law firm rates. For businesses, Rocket Lawyer is a strong contender for formation services. They assist with forming various business entities like LLCs, C-Corp, S-Corp, and nonprofits. For new members, the first business filing is often free, excluding state fees, which can be a major cost saver for budding entrepreneurs. They also offer services for intellectual property protection, such as trademark filings, and help with ongoing compliance like annual reports and registered agent services. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, pricing. Rocket Lawyer primarily operates on a subscription model, offering a Rocket Legal plan and a Rocket Legal Plus plan. The Rocket Legal plan, typically around $39.99 per month, provides unlimited legal documents, unlimited Ask a Lawyer questions, and discounts on attorney consultations. The Rocket Legal Plus plan, which is an annual subscription, offers even more benefits, including free business formation for the first entity and further discounts on additional services. For non-members, individual documents and consultations can be purchased, but the subscription model is where the real value lies, especially if you anticipate needing legal assistance more than once. Compared to the hundreds or even thousands of dollars an hour that traditional lawyers can charge, Rocket Lawyer subscription fees offer a much more predictable and often significantly lower cost. So, is it legitimate? Based on available information and user experiences, the answer is a resounding yes. Rocket Lawyer is a legitimate company that provides valuable legal services. They have been in business for over 15 years, have a large customer base, and are transparent about their attorney network, which consists of licensed professionals. Their website utilizes industry-standard encryption to protect user data, and documents created and signed through their platform are legally binding. However, it's important to have realistic expectations. Rocket Lawyer is an excellent tool for common legal needs, generating standard documents, and getting quick legal advice. It's designed to empower individuals and small businesses to handle many legal matters themselves, with professional guidance readily available. It's not a substitute for complex litigation or highly specialized legal counsel. If you're facing a complicated lawsuit, dealing with intricate international law, or require bespoke legal strategies for a unique situation, a traditional law firm with specialized attorneys is still likely your best bet. Rocket Lawyer itself emphasizes that for more involved cases, they can connect you with attorneys who offer discounted rates for their members, essentially serving as a bridge to full legal representation when needed. Customer reviews generally lean positive, highlighting the convenience, ease of use, and affordability. Many users appreciate the ability to create documents quickly and get their questions answered without the hassle and expense of scheduling traditional lawyer appointments. Of course, like any large service provider, there are occasional complaints, primarily revolving around billing issues or misunderstandings about the scope of services. However, Rocket Lawyer typically responds to these concerns and aims to resolve them, as evidenced by their Better Business Bureau profile. When comparing Rocket Lawyer to alternatives like LegalZoom or other legal tech platforms, it often stands out for its emphasis on direct attorney access within its subscription model, making it a strong choice for those who anticipate needing both document creation and expert advice. Some alternatives might specialize more in business formation or offer slightly lower prices for specific one-off services. But Rocket Lawyer's comprehensive approach makes it a strong contender for a wide range of needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.